Sir, I would like to introduce you to my brother.
Okay.
His name is Alex.
Captain, it is nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Ugh, I am bored. I know I will play up like Trump to distract everyone from the assembly. Okay, Lou, how dare you play a song that talks about Donald Trump during an assembly? Go to the principal's office now.
Caillou, why were you playing music during an assembly?
Because I was bored and wanted to rock and roll.
Oh, how dare you distract the assembly with your crap music. That's it, you are suspended for 5 weeks. Go home now.
Okay, Lou, how dare you play a song about Donald Trump during an assembly at school? You know that he would be a very bad president and that song is dirty. That's so it, you are grounded for 500 octillion years. Today is punishment day, so your first punishment is tasing you with a taser.
No, Dad, that will be very painful. Please don't.
That's too bad for you. Second punishment is making you lick the dirty floor. Go get the door.
This is a kidnapping.
Stop electrocuting me.
No, caillou. Please come back, this wasn't part of your punishment.
Where am I?
On a ship going back to Mars, and BTW, you are a prisoner.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
Yep, now one of our robots is taking you to your cell. Don't worry, you will be taken care of and you will meet the captain soon.
Well, who are you?
I am Lieutenant Larry. Right this way, please. Here is your cell.
I think I hear my friend Dora.
She is your cell neighbor. You have cell windows so you can talk to your neighbors, and one more thing, plug your nose for a little so you don't pass out.
Why?
It's a thing that kills germs in your cell.
Oh no, I didn't plug my nose.